Hey, it's a brand new day on Gillum Farms, and I'm Johnny. And what I've got going on right now is we've got a Polar Vortex coming to Oklahoma. Actually, it's coming to several states throughout the country. Temperatures are going to drop way down. We're going to have negative wind chills and things like that. And I know you guys up in Montana and Wyoming and stuff like that, you know, you're used to it, South Dakota, etc., etc. But down here, you know, I've still got a heifer that's going to calve. I've got several cows that are due. So I kind of like to be around the cattle. I also like to be able to break the ice on the pond and stuff like that. Sometimes that's you know, every couple of hours deal that you do. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going down to deer camp. I'm getting our camper and I'm taking it back up to where the cattle are, and I'm going to set that up. I'm going to see what all I'm going to need in order to get it fully functional there on the property. So yeah, that's the plan today. Oh yeah, there will be a deer hunt video coming out, I promise. It'll be on the Gillum Farms Outdoors and More channel, but there will be a deer hunting video coming out. So anyway, let me get on down here and get this camper picked up. Down here, man, I had a great time down here this year. Yeah, still here. All right, the camper is still here. All I gotta do is drop a bunch of these things off the tops of stuff and kind of get everything to where to ride, and then start moving it out. But anyway, I'm going to be staying in this where the cattle are through the Polar Vortex and the other weather events for the winter. So anyway, let me get started. A heavy deal right there. I'm going to tell you right now, whoever came up with cordless impacts, man, my hat is on to you. Loaded up. I've went inside, I've took everything down, made sure that there wasn't anything that was going to fall and hurt anything. So let's see if we can get it out of here. Normally what I do is I drive a circle out around through there, out that way, and I come right through here. But as you can see, this is an absolute mud hole right now, and I'm afraid it's really soft out there too. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is pull forward, back up into there, and try to pull it out that way. So we'll see how that works. I used the old give me 40 acres and I'll turn this rig around deal. I drove it way out there and turned it around way out there and come back around through the road. But anyway, I got it out this gate now. So let's head on home, or let's head on over to the cattle. That is just one of the many sketchy railroad tie bridges that we have to drive through or over on, any given time down here. I'd say there's probably 8 bridges like that on this place, 8 or 9, and we have to drive over those. And some of them we can't even drive over anymore. We had to cut ways around them and stuff. So anyway, heading on to the farm. All right, I got the camper over here where it's supposed to go with the cattle. So here's all the calves in here. And what I've got to do is I've got to put this camper right up here because our power is right there. We actually have water right here, and we have propane right there. So I need to move all of these things right here, all these old pieces of underpinning that was on a mobile home that was right here. You got to move all this, make sure there's no stakes sticking up out of the ground that are going to flatten any tires or anything like that. And then I'm going to pull, I'm actually going to pull through. I'm going to bring that in kind of up this grade right here, kind of pull it out and around. My truck's going to go out that way, and I'm going to park the camper right here, and I'm going to go on with my truck that way. So really, so anyway, that is my plan. Let's see how it works. I'm not exactly sure about this. I mean, it's straight and all, and it's close enough to the power pole and all that good stuff. And there's the septic right there and everything. But I almost think I need to back it up a little bit. It just seems like it's way too far that way. But I guess it's probably not. I mean, it's probably fine where it's at. Anyway, I think I'll unhook it, and if I don't like it there, I'll move it later. But I think I'm just going to leave it right here for now. Alright folks, the things I was concerned about getting done today, I've gotten done. You can hear the heater is actually running. This is the exhaust for the heat, and the heater's working well. I've got the electric all hooked up right there. Things that I've got to hook up, there's a sewer pipe right here, so I've got to hook that up. And my water is over here, and that is the water right there, spigot for that. And the problem is I've also got a pipe right here that's got a bust in it, and I've got to fix this. So once I get this fixed, then I can hook something to that. I'm actually thinking about just having my neighbor over here has a mini excavator. Thinking about having him just dig me a ditch right over there, and we'll just set a spigot like right here. So we'll just set something right here, and then the water hookup is right there. So that's what I think I'm going to do. Wouldn't take much. I mean, he can get in here and he can dig that in just a few minutes, and we can lay some pipe in it and cover it up and have the water right there. But that will probably be sometime in the spring, because we're in the winter now and we're getting ready to go into the Polar Vortex. So I have learned how to live with minor water, so whenever I'm out here, because of deer camp, when I'm down at deer camp I don't have any. So when I'm down here, I can just be like I am whenever I'm at deer camp. And home is just 30 miles away, so I can drive, get showers, come back here, take care of the cattle, be right here with them. Anyway, that's what I wanted to get done today, and I've got it done. So if you like this type of video, like, comment, subscribe. I'll continue to bring more content in the future as available. And as always, everybody, God bless. Home away from home.